What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be messing with the 6.0 Powerstroke again, and just like many other people, my truck's cab moldings are missing or broken. So I had to order some new ones on Amazon. I'll put a link to those down below, and I'll walk over and show you on the truck exactly where these are supposed to go if you don't know what they are. But we'll be paint matching these and clear coating them today. So let me show you on the truck, and then we'll get to painting and clear coating right after this. All right, so right here, this is where your cab molding is at. See, mine's broken, well, more than half right there, and the other side of the well is completely missing. So we're gonna fix that problem. All right, so I went to my local parts store. I couldn't find the exact color. I'm actually going to be using a GM color, but I took this outside and put it next to my paint job, and it was the closest that I could possibly get. But I got a can of clear coat, can of paint. I had the cans sitting out in the sun, get them warming up, because it is kind of cold where we are right now, and I don't want any clumping or anything like that. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some kind of coat hanger or something like that, and we're going to need to hang these so that we can paint them. Well, we got to clean them, and then we paint them. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so what I got going on is a piece of wire, and I've got it just attached by where the threads are on the back side of this bolt here, so that you can mount it. I'm gonna hang it from a tree and just paint them one at a time, I think. Or I might be able to cut this in half and do them both at the same time. I'll probably do that. I'm gonna get that done and I'll be right back. All right, so now that we've got them hanging in the tree, you gotta shake the shit out of the paint can. I think it recommends to like a minute or something like that. It helps to, whenever you're about to spray, you start spraying before you get to your target. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna stay about 8 to 10 inches away or so, and do light sprays. And you're gonna let it dry about 20-30 minutes in between, and then come over and do another coat so you don't get running on it. But let's see if we can get it done. All right, so that's the first coat. We're gonna let this dry. We'll come back and do it again. All right, welcome back to another episode of This Old House, where it's the same shit but a different day. So we have the cab moldings finished. They're painted, they are clear coated, and they are ready to go on the truck. So now we got to get in the truck and start disassembling so that we can put these in. All right, pro tip before you get started, guys, don't make the same mistake I did. Attach a magnet or something to your socket so that the nut doesn't fall down in between in this molding right here, because I had one drop on me and I just had to go through hell. All right, so we're gonna start with putting the seat down like that. All right, so that out. We're gonna go ahead and get this out. You don't have to take it all the way. Just take it, and then just sew it over to the side over here. All right, so from the inside like this, I'm gonna get a screwdriver or a knife or something like that so that you can pop this up. Pop that up. T50. All right, and now we're just gonna set this down here behind the seat right down there. All right, now what we're gonna do is, let me pull you back up. All right, so we're pulling this little guy out right here. And then now we're removing this panel right here. All right, so. Okay, so that's far enough out of the way. Now what we're gonna do is, you gotta look up between your headliner, and right behind it right here is a hole in the frame. And you can see the two nuts. And like I said a second ago, put a magnet on your socket or you will lose one. It doesn't fall all the way down. It does not fall all the way down to behind where this speaker is at. if you put your hands right here, you can feel it cups down. So I just lost a nut on the other side right here, and I can't get to it without drilling a hole or some crap like that. All right, so I have a 1/4 inch extension with a 9mm. Be very careful. All right, so you see how it still came out sideways, but I think the magnet probably helped save me. Yeah, see? Okay, so I just peeled the weather stripping back, stuck the bottom nut or bottom bolt in there first, and then the top one, and now I gotta go on the inside and put the nuts on there and then put it back together and we'll be done. So putting it back together is exactly the same as taking it out. Obviously, just do it in reverse. And let me do that real quick, and then I'll give you a walk around to show you how well it looks. I'll be right back. All right, so now I got it all put back together. We're gonna go ahead and give it a little look here. I don't think it's all that bad if you ask me. If this helped you out, hit me a like button or subscribe or put a comment below. Tell me how bad I suck at it. Well, our new puppy and I say, if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.